Drones have been a vital part of our filmmaking process for years now, helping us capture the scenes from places we could never reach. Like you, we always thought Singapore was one gigantic no-fly zone. Either you needed a permit, which is crazy expensive, or it's just straight up illegal.
Alright, so in this video we're going to show you where we think are the 5 best places to fly your drone in Singapore. And we'll also be using the brand new Air 2S sent to us by our friends over at DJI. It's gonna be an epic one, so let's go!
So the first location on our list is Clementi Forest. Clementi Forest is a great place to fly the drone as you get these untouched landscapes that look like anything but Singapore. You have these gigantic tree lines that look like something straight out of Jurassic Park. This stream here that looks super Amazonian, and I promise you that coming here in the morning to get these sunrise shots with the mist is super worth it. And yes, you do have to hike a little to get here, but with the Air 2S being so small and light, it barely takes up any space and doesn't weigh you down on any of your adventures. Alright, moving on to our next location, it's none other than the Rail Corridor. The Rail Corridor is a great blend of nature and urban coexisting, and you can get some really cool compositions with the environment here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to fly your drone real low to get these cool shots below the canopy line, bridges or tracks. So the Air 2S has an upgraded obstacle sensor, meaning you can get your shots in any environment without worrying about your drone. The Kallang Basin is next on our list, and it's another great place to fly the drone as you're able to get shots of people kayaking, and with the National Stadium in the background, you're sure to get some pretty impressive footage. But imagine if you're all alone and got your hands full with something like kayaking, but you still want to get those banger cinematic shots. So the Air 2S has a dope new feature called Master Shots that lets you get professional footage with just a press of a button. Simply highlight your subject,
3,
set the flight time,
2, 1.
and boom, off it goes, shooting everything you need while you can rest easy and enjoy whatever it is you are doing. And the best part is that it even edits the video for you, so you can immediately share your adventures and show off how cool you really are. Okay, so next on our list is the Pandan Reservoir. Over here, you get this large body of water that is calm enough for you to get some absolutely stellar reflection shots. So a cinematic shot you can get here is tracking the subject while they are walking. But this is a pretty advanced movement, so if you're new, you can make use of the active track to keep your subject center in frame. Alright, so last but definitely not least, our 5th location is none other than Marina Bay. This is another great place to fly the drone, as you not only get the iconic Singapore landmarks like Marina Bay Sands and the Singapore Flyer in the background, but on top of that you also get an unobstructed space to try out some creative shots and movements. And in our opinion, this is also the perfect place for you to flex that 5.4K Ultra HD 10-bit D-Log video recording capabilities of the Air 2S. So thank you so much for watching, and we really hope you learned something from this video. Just having a drone won't do you any good unless you get out there, explore and shoot. And most importantly, take care everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.